Assistant Professor, Kailash Women's College. Today topic is point effects. Point effects are four types: vacancy, Schottky, and industrial Frenget effects. Vacancy effects. A vacancy is produced when an atom is missing from its original lattice site. So vacancy creates an empty lattice site as depicted below. Vacancy, missing atom at a certain crystal lattice position. Like other point effects, vacancy is also zero dimension defect. Vacancy defect puts the neighboring atoms under tension. Where vacancy defect can be found, vacancy defect can occur in any crystalline solid. In fact, it is inherent. Any material whose temperature is above absolute zero temperature can contain vacancies. With increases in temperature, number of vacancy defect increases exponentially. Schottky defect. What is Schottky defect? It is one type of point effect that occurs in ionic crystals. Schottky defect occurs when oppositely charged atom or cation or anion leave their corresponding lattice sites. Examples: sodium chloride, potassium bromide, silver bromide, cerium dioxide, thorium dioxide. Industrial defect. An interstitial defect occurs when an atom takes the interstitial position of the lattice structure. This interstitial atom may be of the same crystal or of a foreign material. According, industrial defect can be two types. Self-industrial defect occurs when an atom of the same crystalline solid occupies the industrial position leaving its original lattice site. Interstitial defect occurs when a foreign atom occupies the interstitial position. Where interstitial defect can be found during ion to steel production, carbon atoms occupy interstitial position of the ion crystal. Similar thing happens in many alloys in semiconductor materials. Frenget effect. And Frenget effect is one type of a point effect. In fact, it is a combination of both vacancy and interstitial type of point effects. Usually, this type of defect is observed in ionic salt, where size of anion is substantially larger than the size of cation. Basically, a Frenget effect is one type of point effect where an atom, better to say ion, especially cation, leaves its original lattice site and occupies an industrial position on the same crystal. Some examples of Frenget effect: zinc sulfide, silver chloride, silver bromide. Conclusion: today we will discussed about point effects and other types. Thank you.